Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency on BingX Exchange. BingX Exchange is a secure platform that makes it easy to trade and store cryptocurrency. By the way, if you haven't signed up on BingX Exchange, check video description for the sign up link to register. Here's how BingX app looks like. User interface is quite unique with light theme that's very user-friendly. Below, you will see navigation tabs such as Home, Buy or Sell, Contract, Copy Trade, and Assets button. To buy crypto using your credit card, you can tap on Buy Crypto here, or go to Buy or Sell tab and select Buy Crypto with Credit Card. Select the coin you want to purchase. Let's try USDT. Choose the fiat you want to use. Let me pick US dollar. Input the amount of purchase. Below, you will see the third-party service provider where you can buy crypto. They support ADV Cash, Coinify, and MoonPay. Let me pick MoonPay as they have the best offer right now. Read the risk agreement and click OK. Then, you will be redirected to their website. Just enter your details and proceed with the process. However, if you want to deposit crypto from your external wallet, under Home, you tap on Deposit here, or you go to Assets. On this page, you will see your total asset value, and underneath, you'll see Deposit, Withdraw, and Transfer button. To deposit crypto on BingX, you click on Deposit. Here, you scroll down to look for the token, or search on the search bar to look for the coin. Let me search for USDT. Before you deposit or withdraw, please read the user guide carefully to strengthen your risk awareness and avoid being deceived. Actively cooperate with the platform to fight against money laundering and terrorist financing. Tap on I have read all the terms and conditions and click on OK. Select the chain you want to use. Let me pick TRC20 for fast and cheap transfer. Below, you can scan the QR code or copy the wallet address to deposit. Please remember only USDT is accepted with this address. Please do not transfer any non-USDT assets into this address. Otherwise, your assets will not be able to retrieve. The minimum deposit is 1 USDT. Transfers less than this amount will be invalid and cannot be retrieved. Deposit needs to be confirmed by the enter blocks. SMS notification of transfer status will be sent to your phone or email. Copy your deposit address, then go to your external wallet. In my case, I will use my Binance account to deposit fund on BingX. Paste your BingX deposit address here. Select the network chain. Input the amount. Withdrawal fee for USDT TRC20 is only $1. Once all is set, you tap on Withdraw. Let's try a different token. Let me pick Bitcoin or BTC. Select the chain you want to use. Let me pick BEP20 or Binance Smart Chain for cheap transaction fee. Below, you can scan the QR code or copy the address to deposit. Minimum deposit for Bitcoin is 0.0002 BTC. Copy your deposit address. Then go to your external wallet again. Paste your deposit address here. Select the same network, which is BEP20. You can see here the fee is way cheaper for BEP20 compared to BTC or ERC20 network. Input the amount. Once decided, tap on Withdraw. This time, let me show you how to withdraw your crypto on BingX. Make sure you are on Assets tab again. Now, you click on Withdraw. Here, you scroll down to look for the token, or search on the search bar to look for the coin. Let me use USDT. Select your chain network. Let me pick TRC20 for cheap transaction fee. Now, go to your external wallet. I will use my Binance account again. Make sure you use the same network chain. Copy your deposit address here. Then go back to BingX. Paste your deposit address here. Input the amount of withdrawal. Enter your remarks. Please remember minimum withdrawal for USDT is $10. Once you are decided, click on Withdraw. Let's try a different token. Let me look for Bitcoin. Select the chain network. Let me pick BEP20 for cheap fee. Go to your external wallet. Select the same chain. Here, you copy your deposit address. Go back to BingX app and paste it here. Input the amount of withdrawal. Enter remarks. Minimum withdrawal for Bitcoin is 0.001 BTC. Once all is set, click on withdraw. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.